One, two, go.
Hi, I'm Dylan Allen from How the Weather Works, and today I'll be talking to you about lightning. You learn what it is, why it's dangerous, and how to keep yourself safe. Did you know lightning can be hotter than the surface of the sun? That's just one great reason you should be concerned about it. Lightning is a giant spark of electricity in the atmosphere, occurring between the atmosphere and the ground. Air acts as an insulator between the positive and negative charges between the cloud and the ground. When the differences in charges become too strong, what we see as lightning occurs. Lightning can be as hot as 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow, I wouldn't want to be struck by that. Lightning tends to strike inside the area of heaviest rain, but that doesn't mean everywhere else is safe. Lightning can strike in a variety of ways, not just straight down. Lightning can strike at a side angle, through a ground current, through conduction, or even off the main street. As you can tell, lightning is very dangerous. On average, hundreds of people are struck each year. Of those, some 30 die and many others suffer lifelong disabilities or injuries. Most people don't get to cover in time or don't know where to hide. Golfers, for example, head to shelter under a tree. Lightning tends to strike the tallest object in the area, putting them at risk. Because lightning travels at the speed of light, it's impossible to know where it will strike ahead of time. That makes lightning very dangerous. Fortunately, lightning is very easy to avoid. Just get to a strong, enclosed building or fully closed vehicle. However, being inside doesn't mean you're totally safe. You should avoid plumbing, electronics plugged into the wall, windows, and water. If your house is struck, a current can go through all those. Don't hide under trees because lightning can travel through them or they can catch on fire. The storm's end doesn't necessarily signal safety. Lightning can occur for up to 30 minutes after the storm has passed. So, if possible, it's recommended to stay indoors for half an hour after you hear the last rumble of thunder. If you can hear thunder, that means you are able to get struck. If someone is struck while a thunderstorm is occurring, they are in a lot of danger. They have likely fallen into cardiac arrest. If someone is struck, they don't carry an electric shock, so they are safe to touch. Start by calling 911, and if you are trained in CPR, begin administering it. In conclusion, lightning is very dangerous, but easily avoidable. Lightning strikes almost 25 million times per year. So remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. There is no need for you to join the ranks of those struck by lightning. That one's done.